Greetings. Today I'll present my paper titled The Philosophical Values of Minangkabau Marawa Flag and its Symbolic Potential as Social Movement Attribute. The corresponding author is me, Muhammad Ridho Fawazi, and also Mr. Kusumarinata is the second author. We start with the introduction. The Marawa flag is the official flag of the Pagaruyung Kingdom that exists from 1347 until 1833. The symbol of Marawa is actually the symbol of strength of the Minangkabau community as stated by Saramintargo. Marawa flag has three colors, black, red, and yellow. Black symbolizes strength and representing the area of 50 Koto. Red symbolizes courage and representing the area of Agam. Yellow symbolizes majesty and representing the area of Tanah Datar. We take Marawa as an inspiration by continuing other researches that also takes Marawa as an inspiration. This research will look for an alternative development of Marawa and helps to preserve and also seeks potential to benefit the industry. The methods that we'll be using start from selecting subject, collecting data, analysis through comparison, value interpretation, developing the cultural values, and then designing. Data collection is done through a literature study of the Marawa itself and also other forms of culture from the Minangkabau culture, such as Merantau, Hebies SBK, and matrilineal culture. Analysis and data processing is done by describing the culture itself, interpreting its philosophical value, and then comparing it with each other to find certain results. These results and then will be the base of the design that we'll make. The design method that we'll be using is using the mind map method. The analysis results found a pattern from Minangkabau culture. Marawa flag symbolizes the area of origin of the Minangkabau culture itself. ABSSBK is literally means culture originated from Sharia and Sharia originated from the Quran. Merantau activity is an activity that Minangkabau people leaves the area of origin and then come back to help develop it. Matrilineal culture is about mother's lineage. It's about respecting mothers as the origin of life, quote unquote birth. We found this pattern of origin. And then looking at the phenomenon that happens on the global scale, such as global celebration or movement, we found that all of the celebration of movement have a symbol, such as the LGBTQ community with the rainbow flag, and they help raise money for their movement through selling merchandise. We also found that International Mother's Day doesn't have any symbol to support its movement, so we found a big potential for the Marawa flag as a symbolic attribute for motherhood themed celebration or movement. We start with the brand design. The name of the brand will be Motherstood, the combination of word motherhood and understood. The logo will be the simplification of the shape of the carnation flower as an embodiment of mother's love and combining it with the color of Marawa. Then we create the role of the brand according to the roles of tradition as stated by GA and Song Hwan, as a group identity, as a process of lifetime creation, and as a bridge between past values and present life. The brand Motherstood will be the identity of a social movement and the brand itself, and help sells merchandise to help process of lifestyle creation and health value as a bridge between past and the present life. What kinds of products that we'll make is determined by the mind map that we make by developing the philosophical value that we found. The value of pride, the value of motherhood, and the value of orderliness. The products that will be sold is related to 9 ideas: identity, defense, respect, guidance, birth, love, tidiness, accuracy, and balance. So the brand Motherstood will market this product through a concept of think globally, act locally. We start local and then we take some of the profits and help donate the global movement on the global scale. So the brand itself will help the movement on the global scale. What are the conclusions? We found that philosophical values contained in cultural forms has many potential for industrial development, such as the Marawa. The Marawa flag with its philosophical value of origin can potentially fight for women's social movement by participating in the merchandise industry, such as the Motherstood brand. There are still many other potential that can be explored from the philosophical values found in the Marawa flag. That's all. Thank you.